So actually, one of the really good benefits of Radius Plus is it will help you to find the hidden markets of the storage investing world, because there has got to be some storage facilities in this area, but this area must be tertiary market, that's very rural, that may not be online, right? You know, so I would utilize Radius Plus in this respect, all right? And, you know, like, and just know, because I've been in Maine, I've driven all over in Maine, and there's storage facilities everywhere, but it is considered very rural. All right, so, you know, so this will help you and guide you along the way to figure out where you should be investing in. So in Georgia, obviously, when we're looking at Georgia, there are a lot of storage facilities in this area, right? There's a lot of storage facilities. But when you zoom in, you can kind of see, you know, where other good areas would be. So here is Americus. Now, remember, I focus on like first time facilities. All right. So I'm the type of person, I'm going to get my foot in the door. I'm going to help you to get your foot in the door. Now, maybe down the road, you might be able to, you know, afford $2, $3, $4 million facilities. Okay. And then you'll get into primary markets and, you know, primary markets and secondary markets of Atlanta. But I'm here to help you get your foot in the door. Okay. So, and so as you can see, Americus, this is the 10-mile radius of Americus. Now you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10 miles. Okay, you can do all the different radiuses, right? So you can see Warner Robins right here. It's got a good amount of storage facilities in a 10-mile radius. Macon's got a good amount of storage facilities, but I bought this one in Americus, Georgia. And so now we're zooming in and we're going to just take a look at Americus, Georgia, and just see what it looks like, just to give y'all an idea. Okay. And you can do, like, you can set, like, or if you see a lot of blues, right? Or you see, like, right here, here's the blues. This is like what's under construction. This is what's going to be planned to be built. And you know how they find that information? That's another thing I forgot to tell you too. They are pulling the permit, and so permits are public data, right? So they are going in and pulling permits and seeing, you know, pulling permits for commercial and seeing which ones are for storage facilities. And then they can come in and they can post those here as well too, right? So as you scroll out, you can see, you can get in here, see if there's any blues or greens, or, you know, so this one was built in 2019, 2020, 21, 22. So there's a couple of newer ones in Columbus, but there's a lot of older ones in Columbus, right? And so, you know, I see like, you know, pre-2019 as older. And, you know, and as you can see, there's a lot of them that have been built, you know, in the last, you know, and before the last couple of years. But then you can get over here and start looking and saying, okay, where are some areas that have a lot of blues, right? So obviously you can see, like, there's a lot of blue going up in Atlanta. So there's a lot of storage facilities. See, we have a storage facility. I think this must be it, right? Yeah, there's a brand new one that just got built. Is this the ball ground one? Oh, it's J, right? So this is permitted. It's 15,000 square feet. All right. This is a brand new storage facility that's permitted to be built right here in J. And we have a storage facility over here somewhere in ball ground. And but you can see here's another one that's being permitted, right? This is over here in, let's click one and see. Oh, there it is, under construction. It just took a second to get up. I didn't think I clicked it right. Okay, yeah, see, this one, Incoming Highway, is under construction, 66,000 square feet, right? So you could play around. So basically the area that you want to be in, it's going to show you what is happening, right? So there's all different kinds of stuff coming up under construction, planned, permitting, and then any of the newer ones, right? So you could see what the competition is and stuff. And then anything that's post 2019, is it post or pre 2019 would be just considered supply. That's just, you know, how, just kind of how they do it.